Hey, it's Paul from Gas Tech Pool and Gas Services, and today we're going to take a look at the Jandy JXI Pool and Spa Heater by Zodiac. It's a great little unit. First thing I notice on this unit is the cabinet. It looks to me like this cabinet is going to make a virtually rodent-free type of unit here. It's got vents on this side and on the other side, but what you notice is there's no room for a mouse or even a snake to get into this thing. Every little crevice that you see on some of the other units, such as a MasterTemp or a Sta-Rite, where the mice and the snakes seem to get into these units, doesn't look like that's going to happen on this unit at all. So the cabinet is solid on it, and it's going to prevent you from having rodents getting into it, which makes that great because that's the main problem with the Sta-Rites and the MasterTemps. The other thing about this unit is the header here. This unit was designed and is a direct replacement for a MasterTemp. And what I mean by that is you can take your MasterTemp heater out, disconnect your plumbing, disconnect your electric and your gas, cut off the old unions that were on the plumbing for the MasterTemp, glue on the unions for this one, slide this puppy right into place, hook it up, hook up your electric, hook up your gas, and you're ready to go. This is a 2-foot by 2-foot cabinet, so it is a virtually direct replacement for either the MasterTemp or the Sta-Rite. Now the other thing you'll notice is on this header piece is this port right up here. What they've done is they've included an elbow, a special elbow that connects onto here. And you can take this coupler off here and this plate and block off this inlet right here. With this little elbow installed up here, what you can do is you can make connections onto other old heaters that you had, like maybe a Teledyne Lars, an old Hayward, or even a Ray Pack. It makes it a lot easier to connect a little bit higher up piping, so you don't have to make a lot of piping changes. So this is again the Jandy JXI, and if you purchase one through me and have me do the installation, I can offer you a 2-year warranty on this thing. 2-year warranty, parts and labor. That's a great deal. It's going to be a lot better than what you see in other manufacturers in the industry. Again, this is the Jandy JXI Pool and Spa Heater made by Zodiac. If you're interested in purchasing one, give us a call, 813-335-7491, or look us up on the internet, gastechservices.com, and we're also on Facebook. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.